Hello and welcome back to the Norfolk Fisherman. Today we're fishing at Limpinho Lakes, which is about 15 minutes away from my house, so staying local as the guidelines say. I'm fishing with my brother today to make a change from fishing with James, and we've both fished with 2 rods each, which I think is in a bit of a deeper bit of the lake. 2 of my rods are on the edge of some lilies. There's a big patch of lilies out there I'm fishing just off. And Jay's rods are out sort of in the middle channel leading to it, so hopefully we'll get a few fish soon. I'm going to talk to you about the rig we're using today at our local lake. This is a rig that I've just started tying and using. So it's just a simple combi rig. So up here we've got a size 6 stiff rigger hook with 25 pound soft fox braid with a little bit of shrink tubing over the knot and the eye of the hook, tied with a knotless knot at a really sharp angle to improves hooking hookup ratio, and then going to a piece of fluorocarbon, 20 pound IQ2 by Corda fluorocarbon. This is about 5 inches on the piece of fluorocarbon. The split of braid is about 2 inches. Some people like it shorter, but in my opinion, the more movement it has at the end, with that was still being tangle free, the better. And I normally use this fish in conjunction with a wafter or a bottom bait, and then that way this is free moving and it doesn't have the stiffness of the fluorocarbon like hindering hooking properties, especially on the soft bottom. And it also has the stiffness of the fluorocarbon that helps it with anti-tangle properties. I find this works really well with a helicopter rig and also a lead clip and an inline. It sort of works well with everything, and good on soft bottoms because it still gets a good rig presentation even if the lead sinks deep into the bottom. Right, today we're not going to be using much free bait at all because it's still February the 16th today, I think. So February 18th, sorry. So the fish is still going to be not feeding very heavily. The lake's still clear, which normally means that the fish aren't feeding. So I'm just fishing with hook baits today. Jay's opted to throw a few pellets and a few little buoys around his rods. And on one of my hook baits is a half of a 12mm bright pink wafter with 2 fake maggots on the top, and that's on the multi-rig, so it kind of wafts around. Hopefully it nicks a bite as the fish sees the bright colour of the pink. And my other rod is on a 10mm live system with a little bit of fake corn on top, so hopefully that just wafts around and the yellow catches the eye of the fish, and the live system's I see as digest for the fish, as that's what it's made for. And again, oh my gosh. Nice drop back bite, and he's hooked into his first fish. The other one I think came off when he struck, but we're not sure what happened there really. But yeah, he's got a nice fish on now. Big drop back bite. My rod's in there, Jay, so I don't know if you want to. Ooh, yeah, it looks quite nice. Looks better than my one.
It's quite a bit dry, yeah.
Oh, it really was. He's just on the top out there. Yeah, they've got nice rods. Shit. Oh, whoops. It's fine. Harder than my one. My one just came straight in. Came straight in.
He's got a bit of power behind him.
Yeah. Definitely a better fish, I think.
This feels like
I'm gonna get out of the way. I'll get a net. Oh no, the net just fell apart.
The net's come apart. Oh, he's a bit bigger actually.
Right.
Hey buddy.
Oh yeah, nice fish that. Oh, that's a nice fish.
No, don't rush.
I'm not. Yes! Get it in the bottom of the net. And we'll rest it in the margin for a second.
Just caught this fish. Quite a nice fish, to be fair, from this lake. Ooh, nice colour on the head and everything. Well chuffed.
And the fish, £9, 8 ounces.
Will we take it that way? This way?
Yeah, we'll take it that way.
You get them out of the way. Or just leave it there.
No, yeah, you pick up, I'll stay out of the way. Got it. And we'll release.
You ready?
Yeah. You can do it in the mat if you would rather. I come down this little arm of the lake because I walked down the lake and pushed through all the trees to get down here. I saw a big ghostie move right in the edge, so I went and grabbed a rod and just like a little bit of just bait like crumb and maggot and caster, and chucked on a few bits of a few spots, and then lowered the rig on one. And I saw some bubbling sort of coming up on this spot here. So I tried to drop the rig in using the clutch as slowly as I could, just to see if I could not spook any fish if there was one still there. But the big ghostie did just move through just now. And then some fizzing came up on this spot, but hopefully I'll get one, but I'm not sure. Spot that's just further down, I haven't put any bait on. And there's lots of feeding just off the edge of some dying reeds, and I'm going to give it 5 minutes in this spot as there was just some feed on here, but I think I'll move back down there, see if I can nick a bite from there. I think like the plan will be just to put a few bit of crumb in and a few bit of flake boilie in and just see if the fish will move off slightly. And drop my rig in and hopefully I'll move back because the bait won't spook them that much. But hopefully this rod goes, because I think I just saw a fish move onto the spot, but I'm not sure. I was hooked up into a fish, just fishing, just right in front of me.
It's about to die there, I think. The tackle box just fell over.
No.
Yeah.
Oh no.
No, it's closed.
That's close.
It's closed. It's closed. The GoPro just died, so that's why I'm on here.
It's not coming, it's not coming. Look at that. Yes.
Let's
Whoa,
go.
whoa.
Oh, Mark's just...
Yeah, I'll get it sorted out in a second.
Wow, look at him. Oh.
Ah, such a nice fish.
Nice fish.